Good evening. Indira, Sharma, Polygon 176. I have 3 children in our schools, and I'm here today on behalf of Families for Education Improvement. FEI opposes the redistricting plan as it does not address equity and it poses harm to all of our kids. We support redistricting to address overcrowding in accordance with Policy 6010. We support equity in our schools through solutions recommended by researchers and reputable organizations like the NEA. However, redistricting based on farm rates is not one of those recommended solutions. In addition to being an attorney, I also chair my firm's Diversity and Inclusion Committee and have been doing diversity work over the past decade. I also chaired a nonprofit serving underprivileged Baltimore City students. I know what the words diversity and equity mean, and they are not synonymous. Diversity is having the right numbers with respect to different groups, and as your policy 6010 states, it includes many factors such as race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, and socioeconomic status. Section 4B3 of your policy includes socioeconomic status as just one of 6 subfactors of diversity and does not place greater weight on that one subfactor versus others. To adopt this plan, which places greater weight on socioeconomic status, would be a violation of your policy. Policy 6010 is not an equity plan, and if this board wants an equity plan, then it should take the time necessary to develop one that will actually work. Unfortunately, the words diversity and equity have been conflated here. The plan has been marketed as equity in action when it really is just moving numbers. It does nothing to actually remove barriers to success for farm students or provide them with fair access opportunities and support as your policy defines the term equitable. In fact, the plan creates more barriers for students by resulting in longer commute times, less sleep, less participation in after-school activities, and reduced parental involvement, factors that directly impact academic success. Manipulating farm numbers addresses socioeconomic diversity, not equity. We agree that diversity in our schools enhances our learning environment. But according to the Maryland Equity Project, our schools are already the most diverse in the region. Our research committee has yet to find any research declaring the optimal farm rate for a school. Even the Century Foundation, upon which proponents rely, has concluded that more research is needed to find the optimal farm rate. Could some schools be more socioeconomically diverse? Yes, but moving 7,400 students to make minimal, statistically insignificant changes in farm rates in the name of equity is irresponsible, and there's greater negative impact on all children. Earlier this year, your general counsel provided you with 3 ways to improve diversity numbers: parent control choice, magnet schools, and redistricting. Redistricting was the most contentious. Why choose the most contentious when there are better ways? Thank you.
Thank you.